Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important but often overlooked part of a building a killer home theater. That's acoustics. You know, you can have the best speakers and the biggest screen, but without good acoustics, your sound will never feel right. So let's explore everything that you need to know to get the right cinema quality sound right in your room. Acoustics refers to the how sound behaves in a room, how it travels, bounces and absorbs, and how your ears perceives it. Good acoustics means the sound is clear, balanced and immersive, without annoying echoes or a muffled tones. Most home rooms aren't designed for a sound, so you will run into a few common problems like echo and reverberations caused by sound waves bouncing off to the hard walls, ceilings, and the floor, making dialogue or music unclear. Sound absorption from too much of soft furniture or a carpeting that can dull the sound. Bass built up in a corners causing boomy or a muddy bass. And uneven speaker reflections that create dead spots or a weak sound areas. To improve this, focus on a room shape and a size. Rectangular rooms work best. Avoid perfectly square rooms because bass waves can overlap and cause issues. And if possible, choose a room with some irregularities or use diffusers to break up sound waves. Use acoustic treatment materials like absorbers such as foam panels, thick curtains, or a heavy rugs to reduce the echo. Diffusers to scatter sound waves and reduce the harsh reflection without deadening the room. And bass traps placed in a corners to control the low frequency built up and keep the bass tight and clean. Proper speaker placement is also a key. Front speakers should always at an ear level and equal distance from the main listening spot. Subwoofers usually work best near the corners but test for the best bass response, and surround speakers should be slightly above the ear level, behind or to the sides. Avoid placing seats too close to the walls, especially behind, to reduce the bass reflection and echo. And position the sweet spot roughly one third into the room from front wall for best sound balance. Calibration and equalization matters too. Use your receiver's auto calibration tools to measure and adjust the speaker outputs and delay for your room. And manual EQ tweaks can smooth out our remaining frequency issues. Good acoustics make your movies, music and games comes alive with crisp dialogue, punchy bass without distortion and a balanced immersive soundstage. Turning your home theater from just a TV and speakers into a real cinematic experience. So focus on room setup, speaker placement and acoustic treatments to get that perfect sound. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more home theater tips and comment below your questions or a setup story.